Today we're making Russischen Zupfkuchen. In English it is called Russian plug cake, I guess, and it was invented in Germany in the 1990s. Someone resembled the unbaked dough pieces on top of the cheese filling to Russian church domes. At least Dr. Oetker claimed that, and the name stuck. Well, it's basically a cheesecake with a super yummy chocolate dough. For the dough, you need 200 gram butter or margarine at room temperature, 1 egg, 400 gram flour, 100 gram sugar, 40 gram cacao, and 1 package of baking powder. For the filling, you need 1 kilo labne, cream cheese or quark, 150 grams sugar, 3 eggs, a package of vanilla sugar, a package of vanilla pudding, but as an alternative, you can simply use 2 tablespoons of starch, and a few drops of lemon extract or lemon juice, whichever you have at home. Put the butter, sugar, egg, flour, baking powder, and cacao in one bowl and start kneading it until you have a dark dough. If your butter is not soft enough, this can take a bit. I got tired while making my dough and gave it to my husband, who was so kind to knead it for me. While he was busy with that, I started with the filling. Add the eggs, sugar, and vanilla sugar and mix them until the sugar has dissolved. Add the vanilla pudding or starch and start adding the labne or cream cheese gradually in. I don't like dunking it all at once, but you can do it however you want. At the very end, I added a few drops of lemon extract, but lemon juice works just as well. Now prepare your springform pan and start pinching some of the dough and lay it all out. It should be pressed fairly thin, like about half a centimeter, and don't forget to press the sides as well. I kept it fairly low here as I know it won't be really high in this pan. You usually use up about 2/3 of the dough for laying out. If you think the dough is not quite enough, just make some more. Pour the filling and now you can pluck the rest of the dough onto the cake. I really don't see the resemblance with the Russian churches, but oh well, it tastes good and that's all that matters. Bake this yummy cheesecake for about 45 minutes until it gets a slightly brownish golden color. Let it rest for at least a few hours so that the flavor can unfold. I like mine best after a night of rest. Enjoy this creamy chocolate treat. All the information for this recipe is in the description below, along with different types of measurements and other information. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to like and subscribe.